This video, I will share with you what I feel is the most valuable photography skill that you should have as a photographer. See, this valuable skill is something that you must know and you will do them for you to scale and have a successful photography business. So this is what this video is all about today. How you will know those skills and how to apply them in your photography. On this channel, I am VD. I talk about photography businesses on how you can grow and take a photography to the next level. So if that is what you want, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also click on the notification bell so that when I drop a content, you'll be notified of it. And guys, please, this is just a new channel I am building. So you can help me also, you can help me to grow this channel so that YouTube also will take this channel to more creatives that will also be helpful for them out there. Okay, let's start business of the day. The number one valuable skill which I really want you to know is your communication. Communication is something that will set you aside when you are dealing with your client. Your communication also has to do with how you relate with other person outside of photography, and this is something that you don't have. This is something that you should not regulate. This is something that you should master and perfect it very well for you to scale through. Your communication also has to do with how also has to do with how you like respond to inquiries with your client before, during, and after the shooting, even outside of your shooting environment. Your commission is something that you must know. It is very, very vital in the business of photography. The second thing I'll be talking about is your perspective. Your perspective is how you photograph your object from different view, from different angles. Let me tell you, the truth is that you should know and master how perspective works in photography. Some pictures look better when you are photographing them from the eye level. Some pictures also look better when you are photographing them from top to down, and also some also look better very well when you are photographing them from down level to the top level. So you should know and master how shooting in different perspective and in different environment works better. This is a vital skill that you should know how it works very well in photography. The next one is composition. The composition in photography is a vital and valuable skill that you must know. It is something that you must know. Just as you know your triangular exposure, that is also how you should know how composition works in photography. Composition is all about what you want to be in the frame. What you like. Composition is about what you want your viewers to see, like the main focus of the image that you are trying to photograph, what you want your viewers to catch your viewer attention. So that is what composition is all about. How you can get those pictures look attractive and get your viewers attention. So you should know how to perfect and master different compositions in your photography, because there are different compositions in photography when you are shooting your clients. And the next one I'm going to talk about today is your lighting. Your lighting is something that you must know. In photography, there's nothing like photography without light. So light is just like they work together. So if you don't know how lighting works, you will never be successful in this photography. You should know how soft light work, know how hard light. You should know how to use natural or artificial light, like in different environment. Know how light work, know how to make combine soft and hard light together to get this result that you want. So lighting, studying lighting is something that we add to your photography as a career. And the next one which I'll be talking about, guys, is color. Color is something that you should know how they work. you know Study the color wheel, study different colors that has to do with the photography that you are photographing. It is very, very important for you to know how different colors works. Even when you are using your backdrops, colors matters a lot. So if you do not know how you combine colors, at the end of the day, your pictures will not look real, your picture will not look attractive, your pictures will not make sense to the viewer. So study and know how each color works even when you are combining it, so that your photography will be attractive, so that you will attract so that you attract your clients, your dream clients in this photography that you are doing. Color is something that you should never neglect. You should study it very well in this photography. Another valuable skill I'll be talking about in this video today is your posing. Your posing in photography is something that you must know. I mean, you must know how posing works. Even if you don't know how to pose, just have a background knowledge, know how it works. Because it means that the clients that are coming to you, most of them are just novice, like they don't know how to pose. So you have to understand how it works when you are dealing with chubby people, when you are dealing with tall persons, when you are dealing with people that are average or average height, and when you are dealing with people that are fat. So you have to know how to pose different persons, like how to perfect it very well for you also to upgrade and add to your photography business skill.